This is a 1960s Austin 7 Mini, second year of production. It's another episode for the Motor Shed because this car is for sale and we are here to tell you a few reasons as to why it is absolutely fantastic. Let's get on with it.
Well, first reason, despite its size, the Mini actually has loads of room in the back. I've got plenty of leg room in here. I'm perfectly comfortable.
Despite its size, you can fit our entire camera bag, plus probably 3 more, very easily, which means it would be a perfect filming car.
Despite its size, this particular car comes with 2 long wicker baskets, one of which has assorted tools in it, the other has your jack, and they store under the rear seats. Every inch of this car is used for something. It's wonderful. Despite its size, it sounds fantastic. I just got to do that again.
As a result of its size, they actually managed to build 5.3 million of these between 1959 and the year 2000, meaning it's a hot product. Or was. With absolutely nothing to do with its size, this particular example comes with an entire poster of knowledge talking about where it came from, how it was restored, what colour it's in, and all other little things you might want to know should you own this beautiful example for sale at the Motor Shed. As a result of its size, I can park it in here, in here, in here, in here, in here, in here, not here. And with absolutely nothing to do with the size, it's actually fantastic to drive.
It is.
All jokes aside, this car is fantastic. Intuitive to drive, easy, steering is fantastic, it feels light on its feet, it's got enough grunt, it's in a beautiful baby blue, and if you are looking to get yourself into a little Mini, this one has bags of character, drives pretty fantastic.
It drives brilliantly. Yes, now, we don't actually know how much this car is going up for sale for. Obviously it is a Mini, it's a desirable object these days, they're not massively cheap, especially for a good one. However,
we will link the price in the description.
We will link the price in the description. If you are interested, go to the Motor Shed because he's the man to speak to.
Mark Elder.
And yeah, thank you very much for watching.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
You can get out.
Get out. Come on.